In this course, we shall examine a major industrial incident involving severe lining deformation and process fluid leakage from a high-pressure urea reactor. The training consists of 8 sections. We then examine the sequence of events, identify the technical and organizational root causes, and assess the consequences. The incident occurred at one of the large chemical complexes. A leak of reactive process liquid occurred due to a failure in the internal lining of the high-pressure synthesis reactor. This animation illustrates normal operating conditions inside the high-pressure synthesis reactor. Operators working on the operating platform detected a strong odor of ammonia, which remained undetectable from within the control room.